재미있어요. 재미있어요. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 재미있어요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 308. 재미있어요. This is pronounced as a 5-syllable word. The first syllable is je, second syllable is mi, third syllable is it, fourth syllable is o, and the fifth syllable is yo. But this is pronounced as 재미있어요. Again, pronounce it with me. It's 재미있어요. Now, what is the meaning of the word 재미있어요? It's actually used to say or describe something as interesting. Also, this could be used to say that there is fun or something is interesting and fun. How do you write 재미있어요 in Hangul? This is composed of 5 syllables. Let's start with the first one. So, to write the syllable je in Hangul, we need to draw first a jiut character followed by an e character. Next, for the second syllable mi, we need to draw first a mium character followed by an e character. Next, for the third syllable it, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang followed by an e character followed by a sang siot or double siot character. For the fourth syllable o, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by an o character. And for the last syllable yo, we need to draw a no sound iyang followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 5 syllables to write 재미있어요 in Hangul. Now here are some more information about 재미있어요. So the word 재미 is actually a Korean term for fun. And then 있어요 is another Korean word used to say that something exists or that there is something. So when we combine these two, it becomes 재미있어요, which means there is fun, or it could be used to say that something is interesting. And with that, you've just learned 재미있어요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 298 to 307. But don't forget our word for today, it's 재미있어요, which means interesting. The first word for our review is word number 307. It's 똑똑하다, which means to be smart. Next word is 싫어해, and this is used to say I hate it. Next word is 달콤한, which means sweet. Next word is 편의점, which means convenience store. Next word is 싫어하다, which means to hate. Next word is 울지마요, which means don't cry. Next word is 맛있어요, which means delicious. Next word is 색, which means color. Next word is 딸기, which means strawberry. And the last word for our review is word number 298, pepper, which means best friend. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.